they ever need to live without government help, it's going to be a different situation, because that's why they're able to eke out even the profit they made at Tesla. The company reporting back-to-back profitable quarters, but the profit was below sequentially the last quarter and did miss forecasts. And then on the earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk, while the company is seeing strong demand for its Model 3, if they cut prices to stoke demand, they may not make as much money. Anyway, here's what he said.
The demand for Model 3 is insanely high. The inhibitor is affordability. It's just like people literally don't have the money to buy the car. It's got nothing to do with desire. They just don't have enough money in their bank account. If the car can be made more affordable, the demand is extraordinary.
And Tesla's stock dropped sharply toward the end of the conference call. That's when Musk announced that the CFO stepping down.
Deepak is going to be retiring again. From Tesla. Yeah. Deepak, I think it's now been. I think he first started Tesla about 11 years ago, right?
Been close to that, yes.
Yeah, almost 11 years. Thank you for your tremendous contribution to Tesla.
I guess we're going to talk about this. I also want to talk to Grasso, but would you go ahead and what do you?
Well, no. So the question is,
I don't like this. I don't like him.
The CFO has stepped down twice. This is
like a Hyundai.
He had stepped down once in 2015, came back in 2017, and is now stepping down again. Is the bears on this stock think that this is some kind of, the true cynics or conspiracy theorists think this is some kind of sign that something is another sign of something.
There could be a multitude of reasons why the CFO is doing this, but it's just like when someone sells, an insider sells stock. There's a host of reasons why they could be selling stock. To diversify, if they had a divorce, if they had a family change. And there could be a multitude of reasons why the CFO is doing it, but it's still always interpreted as a negative for the stock.
Always interpreted as negative for the stock. So the real question, though, is you look at the stock, you heard the numbers, and Joe mentioned it, without the government credit, what's going to happen? They're also going to finally have real competition in terms of electric vehicles from the likes of Porsche and others that are really. I mean, this is the year. What does it look like? Plus, they do have a payment, which they did say. We've talked a lot about that payment that comes this month in February. They say they're in a good enough cash position to be fine on that payment. Remember, if the stock had, I think, gone over, and it won't be. I mean, it's at least, what is it? It's 60 or $70 off right now. If it was around $360, they could have converted about $920 million rather than pay it out in cash. They say they can do it. But you look at the stock, you like it?
I don't like it, and I think at this point. You remember when he tweeted, Saudi was going to have the funding was secured.
Yep.
And then just this week we heard that the Saudis have totally hedged their position in Tesla and in their private investment fund. I think that there's something that really is underneath the hood in Tesla, so to speak. And I think that, this is tough from either side. It's very volatile, but I think the Bears are winning as of late, and I would agree with the Bears.